Look at this track, folks. We have special supports. Let's zoom in on Percy. Percy's working hard. Here Percy comes around the bend. All right.
Hippity Hoppity started to tip over?
Yeah.
So they go into the tunnel. Gordon, Lime Green, Thomas, Mr. Peking, Carrie the Carrier, and Hippity Hoppity. Now they're coming out.
Whoopsie baby. Wait for me, wait for me. We're okay, they're on, they're on. Let them go. There we go.
Is this an L train? Elevated?
This is an elevated train. There you go.
What did I
You gave him a little bit of a push down, just a little bit too high for him. So as he goes up this, he just, with all the weight in the back, it just pulls him too much back. He needs a little more weight in the front.
Sonny, which train is your favorite?
Gordon, Colton, and Thomas, and Percy, and Carrier.
You like all those?
And Percy. Thomas, talk about the day when you were cheeky.
Well, Gordon came by me, and I pretended like there was a really bad smell, like when I pretended he smelled like ditch water because he had fell into a ditch recently, even though he was already all washed off. I was just doing that to remind him and make fun of him. Gordon. Excuse me. But later that day, I fell down in a mine, and Gordon had to rescue me. Gordon rescued me, and I felt bad for being so cheeky earlier.
Who? You?
Yes, Thomas.
Thomas?
Me, Thomas.
You, Thomas? They're going to cheer little tiny person on. They can't. Come on.
I think maybe little Percy should just watch, because it's hard for him to sit on these rails. Sometimes she gets caught, she gets snagged.
She gets snagged.
Yeah, she gets snagged.